Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, students? I hope you will be fine by the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Today, our first lecture is of maths of class 7. In this lesson, we learn about the sets, its definition, its example in our daily life as well as in mathematics. So you have listened many times about set, like dinner set, water set, cake set, and many other examples in your daily life. But in maths, the definition of set is collection of well-defined and distinct objects. What do you mean by distinct? Distinct means अलग-अलग, अलग-अलग, जो एक दूसरे से मिलते ना हो. Well-defined, जो डिफाइंड हो, यानी कि उनकी एक अपनी अलग पहचान हो, यानी कि आप कुछ अलग और गलत नहीं लिख सकें. ओके, नाउ we discuss its example in math. We have discussed previous in daily life examples. Now we discuss in math. So first example is set n. This is a letter of English alphabets which is in written capital form. It expresses the set. Okay, set of natural numbers. You have listened many times natural numbers that start from 1. Simple counting. We have second set example B. Set B has the elements 1, 2, 3 and up to so on. That is also a natural number example. C is of form X such that X belongs to natural number. It is also example of natural number. These three examples are same. But there is different in their representation. So we discuss now about its type. The first form is descriptive form, in which we learn about the statement. You see the example of descriptive form, that is set of natural number. It is in the form of a statement. एक जुमले की फॉर्म में होती है जो कि हम पढ़ते हैं. डिस्क्रिप्टिव फॉर्म में हम डिस्क्राइब करते हैं किसी भी चीज़ को इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्टेटमेंट. द सेकेंड वन इज टेबुलर फॉर्म, इन विच वी यूज एलिमेंट्स टू रिप्रेजेंट अ सेट, बट एलिमेंट्स विद ब्रैकेट. Like this is the example of tabular form. These are the simple elements or numbers, but we use in the bracket. We cannot use a big bracket as well as a small bracket, but we use braces. This is only used to represent a set. The third one is set builder form, in which we use different expressions. The set C is the example of set builder form, because in it we use different expressions. It is for X such that X, this expression is used for belonging to, and N you know about natural numbers. So we have discussed in it that all the examples are same, but they are different in their representation. That is because of their types. First one is descriptive, in which we describe anything, any statement in the form of this. The second form is of tabular. In it we use different elements with brackets. This set is of empty set. There is nothing element, no element in it. We also represent it through this expression. Third form is set builder form, in which we use different expressions to show the set. So we have introduced about sets in this lecture. In next lecture we do first exercise, that is 1.1. In 1.1 there are 4 questions about these types. You have to learn their definition from book and their example. which I mark in the next lecture, inshallah. And also learn that definitions and examples also. Okay, Allah Hafiz.